This is Dolby Atmos. The number of speakers around you no longer matters.
Dolby Atmos can manipulate individual sounds in 3D space to position sounds all around you. Sounds can move above you.
Adaptive sound.
Far away, unlike stereo, which is limited to 2 audio channels. Or right above.
Virtual X.
Let's compare. This is stereo. And this is Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos can build worlds of sound to tell any story.
This is the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy.
Adaptive sound.
You're strong, intelligent. Enjoy the show.
1, 2, 3.
Virtual X.
Go. Now. This is Dolby Cinema. It's where the most advanced cinematic technology you've ever experienced begins.